welcome. It's quite possible to move our bodies for simply 5 minutes or so and to return a whole new person. Let's see if we can't move in dynamic ways from a seated position and return a completely different person. Let's begin with some arm swings across our body. Feel free to stand to do some of these exercises. Stand for the entire session. Sit on the floor. Always choose your own adventure and modify each movement to suit your needs. But let's just see if moving dynamically, connecting to our breath, staying truly present in the moment can't boost our mood, elevate our energy, bring a smile to our face. It works. It absolutely works. Oh, okay. Elbows up. Bend at the hip. Just hinge down ever so gently into some trunk twists. The back might not be feeling it yet if you're just getting started. So sit upright. And when you start to feel a little looser, a little bit more capable of bending down and twisting that trunk, join me. Ooh. I understand. First thing in the morning it can be a little tight, a little creaky, depending on where you're at in your day. Ooh. Start to sink a little bit lower if you can. Feel that in the lower back. We're building great mobility in our entire spine here by twisting. You're gonna feel it in the shoulders, building some great strength. Oh, up we come. Brilliant. Very gently, very dynamically. Body waves. Breathe in when you come to the top. Exhale. Just find the flow that works for you in this movement. Connect to your breath. Feel it in your fingertips. Come down, feel it all the way into the tip of your toes. Big inhale, exhale. One more big inhale. Suspend your breath at the top. Just hold it for a moment and then great big exhale. Let it all out. Hang down there for just a moment. Remove some of the snow if you want. Just feel that in your lower back. Oh, building that great mobility. Excellent. Oh. Sweep the arm across your body. Bring your leg up. Twist a little deeper with each and every one. Bring your leg up a little bit higher. Great for hip mobility. We go with a bit of pace, getting that heart rate up. Ooh, yes. So we can climb the stairs. Go for those long walks. Enjoy just the most normal of things, but yet we'll see the extraordinary in the ordinary, especially when we can move with confidence, trust in our body, and ease. Ooh, nicely done. Bring your arms, nice T, and just pulse. Head up high, sit up real tall. Really feel your spine elongating. Pulse those arms, feel it in your shoulders, building great strength. Now make a fist, but point your thumbs up. You feel that in the triceps. And you're welcome to turn your head, look to each side, build great mobility in the upper neck, the spine, upper spine and neck. English is only my first language. Now, point the thumbs down. Feel the difference. See what happens when we just change just the slightest thing. Just get a little bit more dynamic. Mix it up all the time. Are you feeling it yet? Because I sure am. All right, let's just cross those arms over our body. Oh, breathe in and out. In and out. Ooh, move your torso, the entirety of your upper body, just dynamically. Turn and look around. Hey, I get to move today. It's a great day for a great day. Okay, nicely done. Let's get our legs involved a little bit. Bring your leg up. If you can tap your toe, brilliant. You do what works best for you here. Maybe you want to bend down. You want to really continue to work the lower back. Wonderful. Also, I'm going to choose to sit up nice and tall. Change it up, mix it up, move in the ways that work for you. But I invite a bit of a twist as well. And now, just with pace. Go as quickly as you can. Why not? Movement is medicine. Okay, excellent. Now, reach down to one side, lift the arm up to the other. Breathe into one side, out to the other. Welcome to close your eyes. See how that changes things. Movement really can be a meditation. We bring all of our presence and just notice. It's wonderful to sit in a room quietly. It's another thing to be able to go through your day and do things and stay completely present. Watch that monkey mind when we get distracted. Oop, my mind's wandered off. I want to bring it right back to breathing in and out. You got it. Well done. Okay, let's reach our hands. Point your fingers. Another great opportunity. You can breathe into one side, out to the other. Lean forward. You're gonna feel it. Oh, the hips, in your core. When you reach out nice and far, you got nice strength building in the shoulders and the arms. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, one more to each side. Nice. Oh, just gentle. Punch. Twist your arm when you punch. And move your punch around your body. No right way to do this. Just be dynamic. Sit up tall. Just notice. You are building strength and mobility. Core stability and balance when we move like this, because we do need to use our core to stay upright. We don't need to do Herculean crunches to have a strong core. Nicely done. Arms are going to come up. We breathe in and we breathe out. Let's slow it down. Breathe in and out. Really watch. Be really, truly present. Breathe in and exhale. Can you feel your nervous system just calming down? This movement, this breath is always available to you. This is a tool. Use it when all around you is chaotic and hectic. One deep conscious breath can truly help us to respond rather than react. I'm in control of my inner state. I choose not to let anyone or anything disrupt what's going on the inside. I choose peace and contentment. I choose to send love to those I disagree with. One more. Just sit for a moment. Maybe just watch the falling snow. Connect to your breath and bring all that presence into this last moment we share together. The beauty in nature, the beauty of our breath. Well done. I send love to you. Thank you so much for being here. Have the most exceptional day. Let's keep moving. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.